Paratroops swing into action all along the Korean front as huge transport planes take on their cargoes of men and supplies. Then roar off the runways of a dozen airfields bound for remote points along the battle line. Many of the planes in the operation are capable of carrying 100 paratroopers and their equipment. The airborne troops act in the dual capacity of shock troops and carriers of supplies to points inaccessible by road. A mass jump carries hundreds of men to a crucial point, ready for action. Following the flying soldiers, flying boxcars disgorge tons of heavy equipment, which floats to the ground in a smooth stream. So rapidly is the drop conducted that chutes virtually obscure the sky. As the paratroops land at their objective, they group for action and are closely followed by equipment which hits with pinpoint accuracy. Construction can proceed on airstrips, or the enemy can be attacked. Once again, the paratroops are there, fastest with the mostest.